Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Wealthfront cash account. First, visit the Wealthfront website or download their mobile app. You'll then begin the sign-up process by providing some basic personal information. This initial step is straightforward, guiding you through creating your profile and setting up your account securely. It's designed to be quick and user-friendly, getting you started on your savings journey efficiently. Next, you'll need to meet the eligibility requirements, which typically include being at least 18 years old and a United States resident. You'll then provide personal details such as your social security number and current address for verification. After this, you'll link an external bank account to facilitate transfers. This step ensures your new cash account is connected to your existing financial setup, making funding simple and secure. Once your account is set up, funding it is easy. You can transfer money from your linked bank account or set up direct deposit for your paychecks. Wealthfront also allows you to set up automatic deposits, helping you consistently grow your savings without extra effort. Managing your funds is simple through their intuitive mobile app, where you can track your balance and transactions anytime. Opening a Wealthfront cash account offers several benefits, including a competitive annual percentage yield and easy access to your funds without withdrawal fees. It's a smart way to grow your savings while keeping your money liquid. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Take advantage of these features to optimize your financial health and stay refreshed throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.